In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this swirling material. This node set is huge, so I'll zoom in shortly. I'm using a color ramp node to add multiple colors to the swirling pattern. We can freely change the colors like this. This Modulo node is actually a math node. This power node is also the math node. This dot product node is a vector math node. Let's see what each node does. Even my middle mouse button isn't working well. Please remember to activate the Node Wrangler add-on to use the mute feature by selecting a node and typing M. As we can see, not all the math nodes are required. They were added to show the extra math nodes can be used to customize further. We can use either add or subtract for this node. The pattern will break if we're not using the correct value for certain nodes for this setup. This is how we add a vector math node. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.